Do you have a dog that is nervous around kids, or maybe you're not sure how your dog feels around kids? Well, my Dachshund Hamilton here, who's on leash, is actually very nervous around kids. And we had my adorable 1-year-old nephew come and stay with us for a couple days last week. And, this was due to Hamilton coming to us right in the middle of the pandemic, and we weren't able to expose him or socialize him around children. And so this resulted in him still being nervous to this day. So you can see here, Hamilton is panting, and he's not panting because it's hot out. He's panting because he's nervous of my nephew over there. So that's one sign that can show that your dog is unsure about a situation. Some other things that you could look out for are excessive yawning or lip licking, if your dog is shaking, or if your dog is even just trying to hide or escape a situation. You'll see right here, Hamilton takes some space, and I give him that space because I want him to feel safe. I'm not forcing any interactions between Hamilton and my nephew. Some other things you could look for is if your dog's tail is tucked or low, if their ears are pulled back, if their body is lowered or kind of cowering, and if they're avoiding any sort of eye contact or turning their head. Those are all some signs that your dog might be a little bit nervous. So some tips on what we did to manage these, few days that my nephew was here. I gave Hamilton a lot of breaks away. So here he's doing a food puzzle. And then when we were near my nephew, I'm right there to supervise. And you can see right here by day 3, Hamilton's a little bit more comfortable. I wouldn't say he's ecstatic, but he's doing much better. But we used leashes and gates and lots of treats and lots of breaks. So there's some tips for you.